Hey everyone! Today we have a 5-minute routine to reduce jaw and masseter muscle tension. A tense masseter muscle can cause problems such as headache, sagging, wrinkles, teeth grinding, and facial shape problems. Start with fixing your posture. Then go to the first exercise, which is neck stretch. Stretch the sides of your neck like you see in the video for 5 times with both hands. Your pressure should be medium. With this move, you're gonna relax this muscle on the neck and release its tension by reducing toxins. For the next massage, go to the back of your head and start to massage with a medium pressure into your scalp for 10 seconds. With this massage, you're gonna relax the whole face and muscles. Then go to the masseter muscle warming up exercise. First, find the muscle by squeezing your teeth. When you do this, the muscle would get tense. Then start to massage onto the muscle for 30 seconds to warm it up and release its tension. You can also feel that one side of your face is more tense. In this case, massage and spend more time on the tense side. For the next move, find your masseter muscle, squeeze and hold the muscle. Keep doing this for 30 seconds on each side. With the squeezing, you're gonna help this muscle to stretch and release its tension. When this muscle is relaxed, you will see an improvement in your facial shape and jawline. Also, you will see a lift in the whole face. Simple daily habits like chewing your food on one side only can cause tension in these muscles, and as a result, you will get facial asymmetry. Jaw muscles are big muscles, so when they are tense, they affect the whole face. As a result, you will get headache and teeth grinding. But this massage will relax the whole face muscles, lift the face, and reduce headache. For the next move, with your index fingers, start to slide on the masseter muscles, starting from the sides of your ears down to the corners of your jaw. Keep doing this with medium or high pressure for 30 seconds. In this way, you're gonna stretch and lengthen these muscles. As a result, the whole face will lift. For the next move, start to move your jaw to the left and right. Keep doing this for 10 times. In this way, you're gonna stretch the muscle and help it to lengthen, stretch, and relax. For the next exercise, keep doing the same thing, but this time forward and backward. You just need to move your jaw forward so that your lip can come to the front. Keep doing this for 10 times slowly with focusing on your jaw. Next exercise is overall relaxation. Hold your skin up with your fingers on the temples. Then start to move downwards on the jaw muscles with your thumbs. Your pressure should be medium and keep doing this for 30 seconds. All of these moves are so effective and they have many effects, such as reducing the tension on the whole face muscles and headache. Next exercise is mewing exercise. For this move, you have to flatten your tongue and stick it on the roof of the mouth. Then keep the tongue up and start to open and close your mouth slowly for 30 seconds. If this move is hard for you to do, I have videos that will teach you how to do the mewing exercise properly. You can find the links in the description. So this was it for today's effective healing routine. Hope it was helpful for you. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe to my channel. See you next video. Bye.